Fire hazards can appear at any time, anywhere. But are first line of defense smoke detectors always working as expected? A small detail we often overlook could put our lives at risk. If smoke detectors are not tested regularly, they may fail to alert you during a fire. So, are you sure your detector is functioning properly? This is where the Winkel Smoke Detector Test Spray comes into play. Winkel allows you to test your smoke detectors quickly, safely, and easily. Winkel's special formula activates the smoke detection sensors, ensuring that your detector is working accurately. Now you can have peace of mind. With Winkel, you can test your smoke detector in just a few seconds and enjoy the reassurance of knowing your loved ones are safe. Remember, regular maintenance and testing save lives. Winkel Smoke Detector Test Spray, the easiest way to stay safe.